Hello children, welcome back. Children, this is our last topic of our lesson, safety first, that is first aid. Okay, you have seen this symbol, children. This symbol is there for the hospitals. Okay, now first aid is all about helping people in situation. So whenever you fall down, you get hurt, you get a minor cut. Okay, so what is the first thing we have to do? We have to provide a first aid. Okay, so when you fall down in the school, what happens, children? You go to sick bay, then there is a nurse. What does she do? She gives you first aid. Okay, now let us study about it. So what is first aid? It is a simple medical help you give to an injured person before you can take him or her to a doctor. Children, if you fall down, what we will do? We just don't go to a doctor. We provide a first aid first. We provide a simple medical help, maybe washing your wound, putting a Dettol on it, putting a antiseptic cream, putting a cotton bandage. Okay, and then when it is deep, then we have to go to doctor. So this is a first aid box. First aid box can be made using a shoe box also, children, that you can do at home. So instead of keeping your medicines, antiseptic lotion, Dettol, cotton swab anywhere or any in the box, you can make a first aid box using a shoe box. Okay, you can wrap that shoe box with a white paper and you can label it as a first aid box, and there you can keep your Dettol, antiseptic cream, cotton swab, bandage, gauze, etc. Okay, now first aid box has medicines, okay, painkillers, bandages, it has Dettol to clean the wound, then scissors, glucose powder if you feel low, it gives you instant energy, cotton swab to put on the wound, then gauze tape, it's a bandage sort of thing, white color. Okay, it is used for wrapping. Adhesive tape, which is used to stick the bandage or you stick the cotton swab on your wound. Okay, so all these things are kept in the first aid box. Now let me tell you, children, what first aid you can give if you have a minor cut or if simply you fall down. Okay, and if it is bleeding. So what is the first thing you should do? Wash the cut or wound with clean water. Okay, so wash it. Then take a clean cotton swab and wipe it gently. Then press cotton on the wound or cut to stop the bleeding. If it is bleeding, then you can press the cotton swab on it. Then apply an antiseptic lotion or a cream. Then cover the wound with a loose bandage. You can do it. Okay, so these are things you can do if you suddenly fall down and you get a cut in your finger or hand. Then if it is a minor burn, okay, if your hand gets burned, then what you should do? You should wash the area immediately, or else you can put a damp cloth, a wet cloth on the burned area, and then you can put a burn oil. Okay, first aid box are usually kept in hospitals, but children, every house and school must have a first aid box. In our school we have a first aid box, and in our houses also we should keep it for the emergency purpose. Okay, so let us solve a worksheet, that is worksheet number 7. Let us begin our question number 1. Unjumble these words that we find in first aid box. Children, these are the jumbled words. We have to arrange them and we have to write what these are. So here you can see that these are the things found in first aid box. TOCNOT. It starts with C, that is cotton. Then SSORSCICS, that is scissors. It's SCI, children. Okay, then DMINSIEEC, it starts with M and it is medicines. Okay, Then AGDBANE. It starts with B, so it's a bandage. Okay. Question number 2. Write one use of the following objects kept in first aid box. Now children, antiseptic lotion or Dettol. It is used to clean the wound or cut, whatever it is. Scissors used to cut the gauze, that is a white color bandage, or the adhesive tape after sticking it. Then glucose powder it gives your instant energy. It provides instant energy if you are feeling very low or down or you get tired. Thermometer is used to measure if you have a temperature. Okay. So these are the things, these are the uses of these things. Give the correct word for the following. Medical help given to a person before taking him or her to a doctor. It's a first aid. Then a person who alerts us about any danger in our locality and keep us safe. It's a watchman, or we can say a security guard. We can take the help of this person if we are lost in a crowded place. It's policeman. We should stay away from these people if we go out. Strangers. You should hold the hand of these people when you go out. Your parents and other grown-ups, those who are with you. Okay. Now draw a first aid box and write the names of 2 places except hospital where it should be necessarily kept. So children, here you can make a box, write down first aid box, and 2 places is school and our home. Okay. Then what will you do in the following situations? If someone gets hurt, what will you do, children? You call an adult person and provide first aid. If you find some unknown object lying on the road, what you should do? Never touch them, and then you can call to your parents or inform police. Okay, inform policeman or your. So children, this is a solved worksheet. So you read the lesson, write down the answers, and then cross check your answers with this worksheet. Okay children, so this much for today. We'll meet tomorrow with new videos. Till then, goodbye.